Yo! What's up, everybody? We're back here in the garage, and as you can see, we're about to change the K member. We're going to show you why we're changing it, and we're going to show you what's up here at Brzezicki Brothers Performance. So, let's have it. So, as you can see, we got the car up on a lift, street sleeper. Got the engine holder. Holding the motor up. We got it wrapped around, chains wrapped around the motor mounts. But as you can see, K member is out. So the last time we were at the track, we broke down. We got the transmission fixed, and the one thing was, you could see this bent up bracket on this side. I guess they put the tow hooks down on it. And you can see the bent up bracket on this side. And as you can see, yeah, it should be straight. It's the new BMR K member. The last one lasted for a few good years. We might post it for sale, otherwise we're gonna scrap it. See if we can fix the brackets, or if somebody else wants to fix them. But we're putting a brand new K member on. Came with all brand new hardware, so all the old hardware we'll throw in a box for the other old K member. So this is the underneath, all BMR K member, tubular rad, the brace, control arms. This is the transmission end. You can see up in the we got the chain wrapped around the motor mounts, holding it up. BMR motor mounts. We got the new starter heat shield on. I'm gonna take the old one and put it on my car and reuse it. Taking all the hand-me-downs. So we're finally getting the street sleeper. Then after we get the K member in here in a couple minutes rather, we're gonna adjust the pan hard bar. We're gonna adjust the pan hard bar because it sticks out on one side more than the other. And then what we also found out, luckily we had to put the K member in and check some stuff. I don't know about these bare brakes. Look at that. This rotor is cracked. And that's a pretty bad crack. That's broke. Now these don't even have that many miles on it. Maybe 5 track passes. They squealed like no other. I don't know. I don't know if we should just get a new rotor and run the Bears, or just go back to the Bromos we had. We did these race brakes to make it a little lighter, so a lighter rotational weight, and I mean they work, but these weren't cheap either, and weren't super expensive. But for them to crack after 5 passes, maybe, I mean, we're moving, but so this is the BMR K member, the brand new one. Brand new BMR K member we're about to install here at the shop. And I'm glad I got this engine holder tool from Harbor Freight. Second time I used it so far in the past couple months. And it was only $100, if that. Holds the motor up. So you can do stuff like this. So that's where we're at. About to get that K-member installed. Keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons to keep tuning in. And you know what to do to that next one. Peace.